Accredited checker for the Pan-Island Expressway viaduct project has been sentenced to 6 months jail. He'd failed to check designs or performing calculations for its support structures. The incomplete viaduct in Upper Changi collapsed in 2017, killing a Chinese national and injuring 10 other workers.
61-year-old Singaporean Leong Sao Hon was not held responsible for the collapse, as he wasn't in charge of checking the support structures where the actual incident happened. But the court heard that the viaduct would have collapsed anyway.
And that's because of the 10 permanent support structures Leong was supposed to check. 8 were not designed to bear their intended load. Leong is currently out on bail and will appeal his sentence.
He is the only person involved in the case to plead guilty so far. The other 5 parties, including the builder or Kim Piao contractors, are set to claim trial.